Hello to all the KCET 2025 aspirants who are waiting eagerly for the counselling process. So here is an important update for all the NEET students who want their seats in Karnataka. So let's see the update here. So you can go to the official website and just click on admission sections. There's a special column here, UGNEET 2025. So just click on that, and here you can see submission of new UGNEET application note. This is very important. So you can click on this first and let's see the notice in detail. Just a minute. Yes, so first of all, this is not required for those candidates who have already registered for UGNEET 2020, who have already registered for UGCET 2025. So you have to understand that the counselling process of NEET will also be taken care of KEA. So you have to register for UGCET 2025. So those students who have already registered, for them they don't have to do anything. For those students who have not registered, okay, as per the directions of the government, KEA is inviting applications online from the candidates who have qualified in UGNEET 2025 for admissions to medical and dental and AYUSH courses for the year 25-26. The candidates who have scored more than or equal to the prescribed minimum score in UGNEET 2025 also are eligible to register and apply online for UG medical and dental and Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy degree courses for the year 25-26. So all those students who have cleared the cutoff or who are eligible to get a medical seat, they have to register. They want a medical seat in Karnataka, they have to register for UGCET 2025. And remember here, the SC, ST, OBC eligibility criteria is only applicable to Karnataka SC, ST, OBC candidates. Okay, it is not all over India. The SC, ST and OBC candidates who belong to Karnataka can claim reservation here. Next we have candidates who have not registered for UGCET 2025 but have qualified in UGNEET 2025 have to submit application online and pay the fees to become eligible for admission to medical, dental and AYUSH courses by selecting UGNEET 2025 new registration link. Okay, so all those students who have not yet registered for UGCET 2025 and you have qualified UGNEET 2025 and you want to take admission in the medical colleges of Karnataka, you have to register in UGNEET 2025 new registration. You have to click on that link and you have to register here between 8 p.m. of 7th July to 10th July 11 a.m. Okay, so 7th July 8 p.m. till 10th July 11 a.m. Now, before registering through online for admission to medical and dental courses in the state of Karnataka, applicants are hereby informed to read the information bulletin UGNEET 2025 and understand the conditions, eligibility criteria. You can read the information bulletin. The most important thing here is this deadline, that is the registration for UGCET for NEET students is from 11 a.m. Is from 8 p.m. 7th July to 11 a.m. 10th July. Okay. Next, instructions for non-Karnataka students. So here, non-Karnataka students who have qualified in UGNEET 2025, they have to first register through online in the KEA web portal, enter all the details, pay the registration fee. Further, they have to enter the 12th standard marks detail and upload in PDF format in the marks entry web portal. They did not appear for verification of documents. Okay, so you just have to upload all the documents online. You don't have to come here for verification of documents. However, OCI, PIO, NRI and foreign nationals and if any non-Karnataka candidates eligible to claim NRI ward religious minority or eligible to claim under category 2 to 8 in St. John Medical College, Bangalore, they have to appear for verification of documents at KEA Bangalore on the specified dates. Okay, so these dates and all we will see in my next video. So this is the important update here. These dates are important. So all the students who wants to take a medical seat in Karnataka and have not yet registered, you have to register for UGCET 2025, and for that the deadline or the timeline given to you is 7th July 8 p.m. to 10th July 11 a.m. Okay, I hope this notification is completely clear. So any doubts, please put down in the comment section. I'll definitely address it. And thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.